are in Foley, Alabama. I think we might be going to OWA. And then
Alabama, we're in Foley, Alabama. The park at OWA. Sorry.
And look at those beauties. I'm so excited.
I'm so
We've
excited.
never been here. We've never been here.
I'm
And this is
scared,
very
really
exciting.
Let's go do this.
So, we're in OWA.
We're gonna ride that roller coaster.
At least I am. I so am.
I am too.
So,
It's sprinkling right now.
do you know what Mom said?
What?
Mom said she just wants to know where the funnel cakes are. I'm so very excited. There's so many rides. I just got a sprinkle in my eyeball. It's sprinkling. It's sprinkling. It looks fun.
I'm so scared. Oh, the way.
Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Emily, look over there. Straight up, and then a loop-de-loop.
Oh, God.
So, I just had some very good funnel cake. And now, we are going on our first ride. It's Mystic Mansion. Isn't that what it's called, Emily?
Yeah, Mystic Mansion.
Okay. And I'm very excited. You can hear all the people screaming over there. I'm very excited.
Phantom Blaster, and your challenge is to zap every lighted target and drive Bucifer and his followers out. You'll ride in my custom Ghost Tracker vehicle in case you need a quick getaway. Will you be today's top scorer? Good luck and aim straight.
Oh, mine doesn't even... Oh, yee. Oh. Thunder. It's very fast, and it has a few loop-de-loops, and we are excited. Yes?
I'm scared.
Scared and excited. Excited. That's what it's called. It's scared.
Do it again. First next time. Instead of like third. Tell you that I think Rolling Thunder is the best ride in the world.
That was either gonna cut that out or
Still recording.
yeah, I know. Okay.
Can I get an interview? Can I get an interview?
We Elsa! What the heck?
What's your YouTube channel?
Ava's Adventures, EVA. What?
Hey.
What the heck? Okay.
How much subscribe?
Okay, cool. But Adventures is served.